Hi everyone, this is the video for class 10 student. Today we are learn about the network fundamental and solve the question answer that are given in your book at last. First section is multiple choice question. In this question first is when two or more local area networks are combined together we get A. First option is PAN, second option is WAN and third option is MAN. Then the correct option is WAN. A set of rules used for communication between computers is known as first is protocols, second is process, third is laws. The correct option is protocols. In third question, in topology, every computer is physically connected to all other computers in a network. This is first option star, second option mesh, and third option ring. The correct option is mesh. Fourth, the type of network connection which has a central line known as a backbone is called as topology. First option star, second option bus, and third option ring. The correct option is bus topology. Fifth, computers are connected together to share. First option is hardware, second option is software, third option is files, and fourth option is all of these. Here the correct option is all of these. Sixth, IP stands for first option Internet Protocol, second option Internet Problem, and third option is International Protocol. Here the correct option is Internet Protocol. Seventh, a device which makes the digital signals from a computer suitable for transmission over the internet is called a transmitter, model, modem. Correct option is modem. Eighth, the earliest type of internet connection was the connection. First, cable internet, second, broadband internet, and C, dial-up. The correct option is dial-up. Ninth, the TCP/IP uses switching technique to transfer message through internet. First option is message, second option is circuit, and third option is packet. TCP/IP uses the packet switching, so the correct option is packet switching. 10th, the combination of star and bus topology result in the topology. First mesh, second tree, and third ring. The combination of star and bus topology is combination of tree. Next section, fill in the blank. A infection on one computer in a computer network can quickly spread to all the other computers. The correct filling word is virus. A virus infection on one computer in a computer network can quickly spread to all the other computers. Second, special software must be installed on a computer network to prevent breach of security. The full form of TCP/IP is Transmission Control Protocol. Wi-Fi stands for Wireless Fidelity, is a way of connecting to the internet wirelessly. In a peer-to-peer network, each computer acts as both supplier as well as consumer of resources. 6. Is a physical location from where Wi-Fi access to the internet is available. A Wi-Fi hotspot. Next, in topology, every node not only sends its own signal but also relay data from other nodes. Here the correct word is mesh. topology, the process where the network system creates interconnection between is known as switching. Here the correct word is computers. Next, A simply copies the information arriving at its input and retransmit it from the output. E repeater. Next are known as dumb switches. Hubs are known as dumb switches. Next section, state true or false. When two or more computers, systems or other devices are connected together to interchange data, then it is known as network. This is true. Backup is one of the disadvantages of a computer network. This is false. Ring topology is the most feasible topology. This is true. Modem and browser are the requirement to access the internet. This is true. Wi-Fi WiMAX stand for Worldwide Interconnection for Microwave Access. This is false. Private hotspot is not used in office and home. This is false. Three types of switching are circuit switching, method switching and passage switching. This is false. The repeater is useful at the time when the network signal is weakened or distorted over a long distance. This is true. The device which routes the information around the network is called a router. This is true. A peer-to-peer network is easier to implement and is less expensive. This is true. Now this is your homework page. Write all the topics in your notebook in this video and learn carefully. Also answer the following questions. First is explain the topology used in transmitting the TV signals. What is the difference between repeater and router? What is the advantage of hybrid topology over tree topology? What are dumb switches? Why they are so called? Name the types of internet connection. Explain any two. Thanks.